Hi, my friends. Welcome to Maverick channel. Firstly, I would like to extend my gratitude to all my subscribers, and I'm wishing you all a happy Thanksgiving from my kitchen today. We are particularly grateful, me and my family, because we've been able to see this day despite what is going on around the world with this COVID pandemic. As always, I am using a special recipe, a special concoction that I developed, and I may not disclose it today, maybe on another video. Actually, it makes the turkey very juicy, and it just melts in your mouth, and you just want to keep eating it. So, my family loves my turkey, and I am going to deliver again today. So I will inject my special concoction and make sure that I inject it everywhere. And this is a special spice that I rub the inside of the turkey with before putting the stuffings in there. That gives a very good flavor as well from within. So I'll put all my stuffings from carrots to some other spices, as you can see right here, or some other stuffings as you may see right here. And yep, make sure it is packed nicely in there. And right now I always like to wipe clean the surface. And now take it away, Zoe. Give the commentaries.
Andy wiping it fast. He's gonna do that. And then he's gonna pour some of this stuff on his hand. And this is what he's gonna do. He's gonna rub it all into the turkey. And once he finishes doing that, let's see what he's going to do next. And he's going to sprinkle some of this spice on it. So I think this is going to be the best turkey. And now that he finished doing that, he's going to sprinkle some more on there. And then now that he finished. Here he goes, closing it up. Now I'm gonna wait it.
I'll try to see it, Daddy.
We can see the turkey from the oven.